Hello, everyone. Welcome to One Stop Academy English. If English is not your mother tongue and you want to improve your English pronunciation, this lesson is for you. In this pronunciation lesson series, you will learn how to clearly and correctly pronounce each of the 500 most frequently used words in the English language by learning 10 words every day. You will learn to use an online dictionary to discover the perfect pronunciation. You can open it yourself or repeat it after me. I will lead you through each word twice, and you have time to practice and repeat along with me. Now I will share my screen with you and I will teach you how you can learn the pronunciation by yourself, or you can watch my lessons to learn the pronunciation. Okay, here we go. So, if you want to learn the pronunciation of any words, all you have to do is type an online English dictionary name in Google. I like Cambridge Dictionary, so I'm going to open that. Once you have opened the dictionary, you will type the word here. So the words we are going to learn today, because we are going to start from the basics, these are the words we are going to learn today. So let's learn the pronunciation of these words from the dictionary, because we don't want to make any mistake. We want to learn it in the correct way. This is the first word. Here you can see British and American pronunciation. We will focus on American pronunciation, but if you want to learn British, you can learn the British pronunciation from here as well. So you will click on this sign to learn the American pronunciation of this word, the. The. If you click on this sign next to UK, it will say the, because that is British pronunciation. So let's focus on American, the. The next word of our list is this one, of. Look at the phonemes here. It's not of. The strong pronunciation of this word is of. And the weak one, like when we are speaking quickly in the middle of the text, it's of. Of, of. Because here there is a short sound. The next word is to. To. The next one, and. And. A. A. Did you notice that in British English and in American English, the pronunciation is same for A. In. In. Is. Is. So you see, the strong pronunciation is. Sometimes it sounds as z in when you're speaking fluently, and sometimes it can even sound as, but the strong pronunciation is. The next one is It. It. Not it. It. You. You. That. That. So you see, you can type any word here and it will give you the pronunciation of that word. These are the spellings, THAT, and here is the phonemic script. If you want to know more about phonemes, these are the sounds according to the International Phonetic Alphabets. There are 44 phoneme sounds in English language. If you want to review those sounds, you can watch one of my videos. I can share the link in the description. Let's recap the pronunciation of all the words we have learned so far. The, the, of, of, to, to, and, a, a, in, in, is, it, it, you, that, that. Thank you for listening and please leave your feedback. I will highly appreciate your feedback because it will help me improve my lessons by knowing what are your requirements. Have a nice day and bye bye.